everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Staud unboxing. So I got this two item during the Staud sale. So as you guys could see, this is their dust bag. It is actually really soft and silky, very nice. I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar with Staud, which is actually Staud based in Los Angeles, California. And if you go to Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth, you could always see this stuff right here. And also you could also visit the website as well. So my very first Staud, I got it a few years ago and I love it. I love the craftsmanship, the quality, and also the price is actually pretty reasonable. So the price point is amazing. So anyway, this is the first item right here. And it is, wow, the color. So the first item is, so this is the bean bag. Oh my gosh, look at that. The color is actually, wow, it's amazing. I did not expect, on the website, it's just so hard to just rely on the photos and the stock photos on the website. Oh my gosh, wow, this is amazing. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this one is made up of 100% lambskin. And as you guys could see, wow, the leather is so soft, buttery soft. And as you guys could see, wow, wow, it's amazing. I was looking at the pleat right here, this folds right here. Oh my gosh, this is actually beautifully done. The ruching right here is amazing. Wow. And also this is the front and the bottom as well. Oh my gosh, those pleats is absolutely amazing. I am just totally like, I'm a fan of a craftsmanship, guys. I'm a fan of quality. And look at this. Look at the ruching right there. I don't know what sort of technique that they use for this piece, but I am totally blown away at how they put this all together. It does seem to look like they melt it and then mold it into something. And wow, that looks amazing. And the leather looks very, very shiny. It is very soft. And this one has a top closure right here, and it has a gold hardware right there, and the pull tab, it has this leather right here. It says Staud, very nice. And let me show you the inside. Wow, the inside seems to look like it is fully lined, which is awesome. It does seem to feel like it is a microfiber cloth. Could it be a fleece or suede? But all I know is that it is actually very soft. And the inside, we have a side, wow, we have a side zip pocket right here on the inside as well. Oh my gosh, very lovely. Okay, so let me just take this one out right here. Oh, it's the same thing. Wow, so they have their logo, branding right there. It says Staud. It actually heat stamp right there. And this one says here, made in Vietnam. Wow, it is pretty roomy though. Wow, and you can always, like, you see the opening is actually wide. That's because it is made up of 100% lambskin, and lambskin is known to be really, really soft, but it is also very delicate as well. We also have, this also came in with a strap as well, and the strap is removable right here, but it is not adjustable, unfortunately. Yeah, it is not. So look at that. Look at that right there. It is rounded. It is also made up of lambskin leather as well. This is the hardware. It says Staud right there. And wow, this is pretty amazing. Oh my gosh. I love the size for this. For some reason, I mean, another reason why I got this, I have been eyeing this in such a long time. And I said to myself, I know that Staud, eventually they're going to put this one on sale. They're going to have a sale at the end of this year. It is on my wish list. And I said, this always reminds me of Bottega Veneta. And I said, if I could get one of these and get the chunky chain, I think I could make this one work as a Bottega though. So let me just try and see. So I will definitely gonna put a separate video on how I style this bag. And look at that. Oh my gosh, with this beautiful gold chain right there. This one actually looks just like a Bottega Veneta. It's like amazing. Look at that. I just dressed this up just like this. You got that option, as well as you have an option to use it as a crossbody. So that is the nice thing. Wow, I still can't get over of how soft the leather is. It is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. So, well, with this kind of leather, don't expect that you're going to get something perfect, because the leather is very delicate. So expect that you're going to see some marks in it, even if it's new. But the leather is so shiny. Wow. It does look like it is luxurious. So next we have the second one that I got. It is also a bean bag, but it's in a different color. This one is in black right here, and the other one is actually called tan. This one is in black. This is the tag, and wow, the black looks gorgeous as well. The pleating is actually similar. This ruching right here is similar to the other one, but it does seem to look like this one is very well done. This one, it's like, yeah, it will never be the same. It will never be the same. The folds and everything, it will never be the same though. But look at that. It is amazing. The bottom, I didn't even know how they did this one. It doesn't still look like this part right here melted and it was molded into something. And wow, it is amazing. Just really love this piece. I would highly recommend Staud if you're looking for quality, if you're looking for great craftsmanship, and also the price point is very reasonable. And if you can wait to on their sale, just more likely it happens. They have Cyber Monday sale, they have summer sale going on, and also maybe at the end of this year. But I always check the website. I always put them on my wish list, those items that I actually wanted. And I got this. This was priced as around $295, and I got it for $200. And it's not bad. The price is pretty good. The craftsmanship, the quality. Oh my gosh, look at this. The black color looks stunning. Oh, looks like, yeah, this was different. Yeah, this one's still coiled into together. The inside has a stuffing. Let me take this one out. And the interior for this is black. And this one has a different one. More likely darker. Like, this is more like a darker. It's gray. And this one is black, and I love the interior because I am very sensitive with lighter colors, and pretty much I'm not going to see a lot of dirt inside if ever I spill something. microfiber lining. It's like, I'm not sure. This is more likely a fleece ones, but it's really soft. And then the inside, the logo right there. It has a pocket and it's very roomy. It's very roomy. And another thing that you could actually use this as a clutch as well as a crossbody. You can also use this, like I mentioned, like I showed you earlier regarding this this Bottega Veneta thought of mine. And I think it would look, oh my gosh, look at, okay, hold on. Look at that. The chain is actually heavy. It's a little bit heavy, but I think this would dress up. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Like that. I will definitely gonna do a separate video on this and how I style this bag. This is the large size. They also have the smaller size, but the smaller size is actually really, really small, which I didn't really like it, to be honest. This is the perfect size for me. And also, this one, let me get the mini pochette. So, just to give you a little bit of an idea on the size of these. So, this is how it looks, and this is the mini pochette right here, just to give you a little bit of an idea of the size. This is actually large. It's pretty big, perfect for night out. Absolutely. And it is very light because it's made up of 100% lambskin. Wow, I was totally blown away with how much I paid for this. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. So anyway, these are my 2 items that I've got from Staud. You can check the website from time to time. I think they have few purses right now that were actually in sale. So sometimes they put them at the end of this year. I think this today, they have an extra 15% on the purses that was on sale. So you better act fast because they sold out pretty quick. And also they have the ready to wear. I haven't really tried the ready to wear. That's because they are a little bit pricey. I don't know about the quality for that yet, but I think it's gonna be good. That's because a lot of their clothings are actually priced really, I mean, it's a little bit expensive, and I'm just gonna put it that way. But I am more interested with their purse, with their bag, because I have several of these in my collection: the lambskin, the leather, and totally in love with the quality. I have their Staud bag. My very first Staud bag is a clear bag, and that one, it's very sturdy. I have that one for years and years, and it's still looking great. And definitely gonna recommend this brand, and you will love it. You will definitely gonna enjoy it in a much reasonable price. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.